You brush twice a day. You floss. You even use mouthwash. So why does your breath still stink? The truth is, you're probably missing the real cause of bad breath, and no amount of toothpaste is going to fix it. Hey, it's Healthy Teeth TV, your source for real science-backed dental advice. Today, we're breaking down 5 surprising reasons your breath smells bad, even when you're doing everything right. And I promise, once you know them, you can fix your breath for good. Most people clean their teeth, but completely ignore their tongue. Your tongue is covered in tiny grooves and ridges. Food particles and dead cells get trapped there, and bacteria feast on them. Those bacteria release sulfur compounds. That's the nasty, rotten egg smell you notice. Solution: scrape or brush your tongue every single day. Saliva is nature's mouthwash. It washes away bacteria and keeps your breath fresh. But if your mouth is dry, maybe from mouth breathing, certain medications, or not drinking enough water, bacteria multiply like crazy. Solution: stay hydrated. Chew sugar-free gum. And if you breathe through your mouth at night, consider a nasal strip or humidifier. Here's the scary one. Persistent bad breath can be a sign of gum disease. When plaque hardens into tartar, it traps bacteria under your gum line. That bacteria causes inflammation and releases some of the foulest smells possible. If you notice bleeding gums, loose teeth, or swelling, see a dentist immediately. Tiny white or yellow lumps in the back of your throat. Those are tonsil stones. They're made of trapped food, mucus, and bacteria. And yes, they smell absolutely awful. If you get them often, gargle with salt water after meals, or ask your dentist for removal tips. Garlic and onions are obvious, but did you know high-protein, low-carb diets can also make your breath smell bad? That's because they put your body into ketosis, which produces chemicals that escape through your breath. Solution: balance your meals and don't skip fresh fruits and vegetables. Brush twice a day, floss daily, clean your tongue, stay hydrated. See your dentist for regular checkups, fix the root cause, and you'll fix your breath. Learn something new today? Then give this video a like and help someone else say goodbye to bad breath. Subscribe to Healthy Teeth TV for real dental advice you can trust. Until next time, smile smart.